advanced technology, wonderful life. Products innovation via technology, brand establishment via faith, market development via quality, and bright future via service. We, Dongguan, COLDMAX Limited, were founded in 2002, located in the famous manufacturing city, Hunan, Dongguan, China, with an area of more than 4,000 square meters, and the existing staff of more than 80 people. We have been producing refrigerating equipment of world class and high specifications since our factory was put into production 10 years ago. Focusing on fresh agricultural products, vacuum cooling technology, and all kinds of food preservation, fast cooling technology. We are a high-tech enterprise covers research and development, design, manufacturing, installation, and after-sales service. To create a world-famous vacuum cooling brand, we are providing complete solutions to modern farms and companies on preservation and vacuum cooling. 10 years of sharpening the sword. With more than 10 years of hard work, we have developed into a leading enterprise in our field with an efficient, professional, fine, passionate team. Also, a number of national patents and CE and CSA certification have been obtained. Our products have met the urgent needs of domestic and foreign customers, exported to more than 70 countries and regions, such as the United States, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Australia, New Zealand, Russia, Germany, Switzerland, Netherlands, Iran, and Uzbekistan. With the development and change of the market, we have established overseas business departments in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and other countries on the basis of the technology advantage and timely after-sales service. The foreign market share expanding constantly, promising us to the international market. Our branch company COLDMAX USA Incorporated has established in California. Currently, we have been reached a friendly strategic cooperation with Beijing Lufulong Agriculture, Shanghai, Tony's Farm, Guangdong Golden Farm, Huzhou, Seasons Green Agriculture, Jiangsu, Yugun Modern Agriculture, Taller Farms, Mr. Lucky Farm, and many other well-known enterprises, at home and abroad. At present, our main products are fruits and vegetables vacuum cooling machine, cooked food vacuum cooler, ice making machine series, cold storage, and other agricultural equipment. Our products are applicable to fresh fruits and vegetables, mushrooms, fresh cut flowers, cooked food, pasta, aquatic products, and other agricultural products, and conditioning food. Talent is the source of enterprise development. Adhering to the enterprise concept of emancipate the mind, unite all, and climb the peak, we, COLDMAX, regard talent training as the first priority of enterprise development, and have created a loyal, harmonious, innovative and upward staff team, with a unique corporate culture. A comfortable working and living environment has been provided to our employees. A variety of cultural activities have been held to enrich the amateur life of employees. We strive to service customers and society better. In the future, opportunities and challenges are coexisting, and so do glory and dream. We believe that through our continuous efforts and pursuit, we are confident to create a win-win situation and higher values to our clients. Dongguan COLDMAX Limited.